Rain falling and the place real dark. Me inside like a chicken waiting for block stock. Me wrap up in a blanket drinking bush tea. Scrolling Facebook, everybody booed up but me. It pouring like hot and dark, but I hear no meow. No barking, no romance, not even a cow. Just thunder clapping like it vexed bad. And me talking to myself like I got mad. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle buddy, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong, I they counting raindrops and singing sad songs. What? Rain falling, oh Lord of grace, like the sky crying for me and my lonely face. When it rain, it pour, but nothing me gain. Only thunder, lightning, and emotional pain. The breeze blow me curtain like it won't hug me. Even Alexa say you okay, buddy. I light a candle for vibes, now the light gone too. So me cuddle with me pillow, it's off but the blue. Them couples posting Netflix and chill. I watching raindrop race on the windowsill. One friend text say come outside, let's dance in the rain. But with me luck, me go slip and mash me brain. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle buddy, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong, I they counting raindrops and singing sad songs. Rain falling, oh Lord of grace, like the sky crying for me and me lonely face. When it rain, it pour, but nothing me gain. Only thunder, lightning, and emotional pain. Them say rain does wash away all dirtiness. Well, carry away my stress, make sunshine human verman too. Yes, I try manifesting love by dancing in the rain, but instead I get sneeze and a belly pain. I praying for sunshine and maybe a day, not thunder that sound like judgment gate. Couples inside kissing up sweet, and me eating roti and watching me own heartbeat. Rain falling and I all alone. No cuddle buddy, no sweet honeycomb. While them lovers get cozy and kissing up strong, I they counting raindrops and singing sad songs. Rain falling, oh Lord of grace, like the sky crying for me and my lonely face. When it rain, it pour, but nothing we gain. Only thunder, lightning, and emotional pain. Next time rain falling, I go invite my neighbor. She got 3 cats, 2 dogs, and she always cooking pepper pot. Better to smell meat than smell me own tears. Rain falling, but somebody must fall in love with me one day, yes. Until then, it's me and the mop bucket.